Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you 3 easy ways to get dark mode in Google Docs on your Windows PC. First, for the cleanest full page dark mode look, open your doc, go to File, Page Setup, Page Color, pick a dark background, then change your text color to a light shade so your content stays readable. Next, if you want the entire docs interface dark, that's the menus, the toolbars and all, install a trusted browser extension like Dark Reader, enable it and then set docs to use the extension's dark theme. Then as an alternative, you can enable Chrome's experimental force dark mode for web contents via Chrome/Flags. If you prefer a built-in browser solution. Finally, if you need mobile dark mode, use the Google Docs app on your phone and enable dark theme in the app settings. But on PC, the page color or dark mode extension is usually the fastest option. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.